Hi everybody, this is Dr. Mandy and I'm getting on here to inform you guys of a little trick, a Friday trick. It is Friday and it's gorgeous outside, so get outside and enjoy the weather. So a few things have come up in the clinic, and if you have a rechargeable hearing aid that has a lithium ion battery in it, lithium ion means it's an in-case battery that does not have the option to open, and it's just like your cell phone. So if you physically put your hearing aid in a charger, that is a lithium ion battery. Some things have come up where patients have called and said, my hearing aid won't charge. I swear that it was blinking when I put it in the charger last night, and then when I opened up the charger this morning, there's nothing there. It won't even turn on. I don't know if any of you know this, but when you can manually turn your hearing aids on and off, and what some patients will do is you have this volume control button here. They will push and hold this as a mute function just to turn it off. Well, when the light's not coming on, they'll also hold this, and this is kind of their first go-to to troubleshoot to see why the hearing aid won't turn on. Well, what's going on, we don't necessarily need to send your hearing aids in for repair, so this is something you can try at home as well if you're having issues. But some patients, depending on how these hearing aids were programmed for you, if they were programmed with this was a program button and a volume control where short presses volume, long presses program. Sometimes when you start pushing these buttons and you're not quite sure what's going on or what the hearing aid's doing, you can set your hearing aid back to factory default with the battery. So what you have to do is push and hold this button down. So if you get the hearing aid out in the morning, you swear the light was flashing and it's just not doing anything, you can't even get the light back here to do anything, then your go-to is to push this bottom button down for 30 seconds. Now, nothing will happen. But what this is going to do is after you push it for 30 seconds, you're going to stick it in the charger for 30 more seconds. And you're going to see the light start flashing and your hearing aid will start charging. Another thing that could cause the battery to go back to factory default is if patients get a little confused, they can put their hearing aid, depending on the manufacturer, they can put the hearing aid in backwards and the little lip can keep pushing on this button. And that can also cause your hearing aid to go into factory default. The other thing that can happen is, like last week when we had the tornadoes, the electrical interference, maybe with the charging, could have caused it. So we have several reasons why we can cause it, but don't panic. We don't need to send a hearing aid in. Let's just do the 30-second rule. Let's push the bottom button down for 30 seconds, knowing the light won't come on. And then we stick it in the charger for 30 more seconds and it will start working again. Another thing to avoid some of this factory default stuff is some of the manufacturers have sent out updates. So if you have not been to your audiologist or you're not sure if your hearing aid's been updated, even if you got your hearing aid somewhere else, I would be happy to hook the hearing aid up to the computer and make sure that your updates are in your hearing aid so we can avoid these factory defaults. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My office number is 306-3050. Thanks and have a great day.